Yo people, welcome back City Hunters, new day, new vlog from the holy city of Mecca. Today I'm going to give you guys a room tour of the Nawazi Hotel Tower or Nawazi Tower Hotel. It's in the area of Ayjad, so let's go and I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. Take care and stay with me. Peace out, ciao! Okay, so we're on the 15th floor. Here you can see in which tower we are at the moment and on which floor. Over here you guys can see its name, Nawazi for Hotel Investments, but it's Nawazi Towers Hotel. Now let me walk towards the room. So this is our room number 1537, and then let me open the door. Just put a key card around here and then I'm going to open it. Let's go. And voila, this is the room. Let me close the door. Open up the lights. So oh, this is closing the lights. Anyway, let me go first to the bathroom and start off here. So over here I can turn on the lights. Just a basic sink, a mirror and a shower with a bath, which is quite nice, and toilet, of course. There you can see the toilet. On the opposite side of the bath you've got a drawer. You've got some stuff for you know, if you want to make tea or other stuff like that. Okay, so you've got a small fridge here as well, and this is then the room. It's a 3-person's bedroom. You've got here one single bed, and you've got here, yeah, a single bed as well. It's made now a double bed, but you can separate this as well, and then you got 3 single beds. On the other side you've got a TV, which is working fine. Normal channels, you don't have anything. It's not a smart TV, so you don't have anything else. It's a bit dark, right? So let me try to see if I can put on the lights. Now this is off, so yes, this is on. Also you've got here the AC panel, which you can turn on, of course, and then you hear some noise, and over there above you'll see the AC. So okay, let me turn it off now because there's no need to it, but yeah, I need to turn it off. Yes, so it's off now. And if I move forward, yeah, I've shown you guys the TV. There's a drawer over there, another one. But the main thing about this room is, I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see it, is the clock tower. So we're quite nearby at the clock tower. Let me see if I can give you guys a better view. No, I can't. So at least you got the window. So we are at the 14th floor. That's the Ayjad street, and if we look upwards, then we can see the clock tower from there. So yeah, behind the clock tower, no, I don't think you guys will be able to see it. Here we got Masjid al-Haram, and now it's Isha time as well. So yeah, you can hear the azan. I don't think you guys will be able to hear the azan, but I do hear the azan. So let me turn the camera. Okay people, so that was a little room tour for you guys from the Nawazi Towers Hotel. Hope you like this little room tour. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and catch you on to the next one. Take care and peace out. Ciao.